So some of the background for advanced therapeutics and combination products is you can see there's three different topics I want to walk us through. The navigation of the ambiguity and the complex regulatory frameworks for next generational medicines. A lot of discussion today on advanced therapy products. And Roy, what does that mean? You have advanced therapies from an FDA perspective. You have the ATMP products by definition coming out of the EMA. And as you go globally with the other regulators, there's different types of biologics, advanced therapies that's recognized from a global perspective, so that regulatory strategy development, depending on the market, is going to be utmost critical. Quality system development is going to be critical as we move into this space. Now, when we talk about advanced therapies, there's different categories of advanced therapies. We have the gene therapies, we have your cell therapies, you have your tissue engineered products. As you notice, that one product was on the poll question. And this is more or less around your TEPs or a tissue engineered product, where it's more or less around regenerative medicine. It's using tissue to regenerate either muscle, cellular walls, different type of cellular anatomy, to go back to whatever was wounded or destroyed through various mechanisms. Can we regenerate that tissue back to normal vascularity within the particular aspect of the body? And then the other one is a fascinating one that's starting to come up as well, is what Tom mentioned on the opening, is a CATMP product, which is a combined advanced therapy. And this is where you're getting into a biodegradable scaffold that's delivering a cell therapy or a gene therapy type product for the patient in need. So it's a very complicated development process, which we'll briefly talk about today. How do you go about combining a device to deliver an advanced therapy product? Now, the technology innovations are really enabling precision medicine as we know it today. There's community-wide genetic screening that's being undertaken. The purpose behind it is really on the early disease detection and risk management from a patient perspective, preventative healthcare strategies around the overall care for patients. And then the final category that we hear a lot about on technology innovations is around digital health and wellness programs, not just looking at the utmost medicinal treatment, but also is there things that you can do from a nutritional wellness program, digital apps to manage that type of healthcare for a patient. Healthcare systems, as you know, are under significant pressure today, not just from a U.S. perspective, but also from a global perspective. And there's a rising demand for these innovative treatments. Can we do more of take-home care type therapies? Can we do more clinics or outpatient therapies? There's a growing burning on chronic emergent diseases, as we know. There's diseases that have been out there for a long time. The cancers, your various neuroscience type diseases that are growing. People are living longer with more complex diseases. And sometimes they're multifaceted based on comorbidities and other types of genetic type portfolios per patient. We have an aging population. We have escalating costs of drug development and delivery. But then when you look at the advanced therapies, people will say, James, it's going to cost a lot to move these products through development. If we find the right molecule, if we find the right therapy, it's going to cost a lot, and that's correct. But when you look at some of the trends over long-term strategy, that if we have the right product for the right patient at the right time from a precision medicine aspect, the thought would be that healthcare costs would decrease over time, less hospitalizations, less treatments, because you're having the precision medicine really look at the genomic aspect of the biomarkers to deliver the next generation of an advanced therapy product to the patient in need.